Fun watches are having a moment right now, from Marvel characters to food on the dial. Watchmaking has stopped taking itself so seriously, and honestly, it is the best thing ever that happened to watches. This trend has mostly been led by the Swiss watchmakers. But what if I told you that an Indian homegrown brand is also doing it? This is Horpa's One Happy Island. Three layers, one scene. Warm sand, deep ocean blue, hints of green. Like a beach, frozen in time. And here's the part no one ever talks about. We've always seen brands release watches exclusively for India. But this time, India gave the collab. Horpa exclusively made this watch for a retailer in Aruba, an island in the Caribbean. And everything about this watch comes from there. Was made for the Caribbean, now available in India. And you know what? It is a limited run of just 25 pieces for women. This isn't just any design, it is an island on your wrist.